Rebels.
Jaywalking.
Heyo, what's up?
You got Spider-Man.
I can't leave without Spider-Man.
Oh god, we go.
You should totally order for me.
No, I'm not ordering for you.
You should though. Bestie, you should like totally order for me.
No.
Bestie.
Ice cream obtained.
This is the second video that we've gotten ice cream.
What was the first one?
Pride.
And I got the same kind both times.
That was way out of bounds. Okay. It doesn't smell bad. Smell it.
Not sexy.
Right, it's warm and sexy.
So it's just warm.
It's just warm.
It's just warm. Let me show the viewers. Warm and sexy.
But it's just warm.
But it's just warm. Oh my god. It's still dark out. Wait. That is not what I was gonna say. They haven't started yet, besties. You want to peep at my next drawing? Beep. Beep. It's Carl. Looking for a bestie. Where is the bestie?
Is there a bestie?
There should be a bestie. We're looking. Hey!
We saw the car!
Yeah, we saw like that building. We were like, hold on.
Wait a minute.
We're literally just done. There's these like 3 like 5-year-olds that just keep coming up to us and stuff, and we're like, where are your parents?
We want that. Yeah.
Ooh, swag. Ooh, get it. Ooh, get it. Ooh, that one had blue. Ooh, get it, besties. Get it.
Ooh, yeah,
There's boats. That's a boat. Believe it or not. That's a boat that has lights. That was a firework, not a boat. Smoke from a firework. Wow, 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 wow. I love how you just wow, 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 wow. You were just like, ah, yes, vlogging. Get it, besties. Ooh, that one was multicolor.
Oh,
Pretty.
Freddy.
I said pretty.
Oh. My dad almost
They have
got
cool
hit
ones.
multiple times.
They have cool ones. Look at that. Ours are just circles. They have swag.
Like, if there was one.
They have
the
swag.
Ball, the ball
We
was
don't
right
have
at the
swag. We have circle. That was a cool one though. I'm waiting, besties. Go. Go. Ooh, get it. Ooh, get it. Show us a cool one. Oh, that was swag.
Whoa, whoa.
They had a lot of circles.
Swag.
That was swag.
That was
Ooh,
pretty
look
swaggy.
at that. They're going at it now. Oh, we have circles.
We have this.
They had like 6 circles in a row over there.
Yeah.
I think they have more funding than us. They had an oval. We have that.
They had an oval. We had that.
They had like a square. Look at all that air pollution.
They look like it's just animated in.
That was a swaggy one. Ah! Look at them. I love how we're just not even focusing on our actual fireworks. We're just looking at theirs.
Ah.
Bonk. That kind of looked like a drumstick.
Aye.
I swear to God, if someone takes a screenshot from this video and draws an Among Us character in one of the fireworks, I will cry.
That imposter is looking
Awfully sus. Watch, if anyone is gonna draw an Among Us character in the fireworks, it's gonna be Nova. It's gonna be. Look at them go. That was very sad. Yeah, they're doing their finale over there. He's looking awfully sus. Get it, bestie. Yeah, you see them before you hear them.
I am aware.
Get it, besties. He's looking awful. I hate this. All because I said someone's gonna draw an Among Us in one of the fireworks.
My brain just goes to autofill and I go to say something and that's all I say.
I think Harbor's done now. Wow, 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 wow. Dream?
What?
I don't know. The way that it was like fading out kind of looked like the little blob head and then like the...
I coughed and now I have a headache.
I don't think that's how that works.
I don't think it is either.
Oh, finale? Question mark? Maybe. Oh my god. You just tried to like murder me.
We said finale question mark at the same time.
Oh, did we? Oh yeah, this is our finale. Get it, besties. Get it.
There is a bug in my hand.
Air pollution and probably water pollution too. Pollution in general.
Tasty.
Finale maybe? Oh my god. Holy bestie. Bestie, what the?
Okay.
Alright, bye. See you tomorrow. Alright, let's go back, bestie.
That impossible.
Oh, stop it.